This strange man in the middle of the night claims to be from Nicaragua and asks the homeowner to use the restroom. Look what happens next.
Hello?
Hello, moto.
How may I help you?
Sorry, good night, can I use the bathroom? No.
No. I'm getting ready to call.
Oh, thank you. Es que comprende, no speak English, Spanish. Yes.
We're gonna call the police so they can come check the building.
No problem, no police, no, thank you, can I use the bathroom? I am from Nicaragua, can I use the bathroom? ¿Puedo usar el baño? No problem, no police, let's go, come on, good night.